Arriba! We're at Home Depot. All right, we're at Home Depot and we're going to get some gloves for Adriana. There's 3 things that you need to remember when you're getting some gloves. Fit and sizing, because if they're too big, they're going to slip. If they're too small, it's going to restrict or tear. Now she's going to walk us through what she's thinking about as she buys a set of gloves. What you looking at?
I'm looking at size. But this is like really thin. So I'm not sure about these. They're not for, anything big.
We're going to be handling wood and all kinds of different things, sharp things. So you want to protect your your beautiful manicure.
My manicure, because these are my real nails.
Real nails.
So I like thin ones, but that are going to protect as well. These have. Let's try these. These. You can use your phone if need be, so you can answer your phone. Don't wear your jewelry while you're working. I got it in my
You got it?
pocket.
Okay. In your pocket.
In my pocket. Okay, so these are good fit. You want them to be snug because you don't want them to get on anything when you're working, and just tear up.
Snagging. Hanging up on something. Yeah.
I'm not sure.
Well, I'm glad they got a good selection here to choose from.
They really do.
Yeah. Cool.
So there's that.
So those are contender?
Yeah, that's a contender.
All right.
Let me see, why are these different? So let me try these. These aren't.
I like those. Or black looks more tactical. We say in police work, if you paint anything black, put Velcro on it and call it tactical, cops will buy it. Yeah.
All right. So this is why it's good to try them on, is because this one seemed tight. These.
So tight.
These are comfortable. They say small. These say wide, but they didn't feel wide. These feel wider than these do. So, interesting. These feel good. Gives you a little bit of room up here for the manicure or the tips. If you're a girly.
Yeah.
Let's look at the Gorilla. Gorilla interested me.
Okay.
But it does not have the Velcro on it.
Did you like the Velcro?
I liked the Velcro. And these are very comfortable. But it feels like they can fall off and maybe.
No, they look a little floppy there.
Yeah, they're floppy.
You ever seen those dogs with the extra skin, the Shar-Pei? That's what it reminds me of. The Shar-Pei dogs.
All right, let's see what else we got down here. Finger grips. Okay, let's try medium. Again, this doesn't have the Velcro grip on it. Yeah, these don't feel right.
They look at all that extra there.
Yeah, they feel too big.
Yeah.
Not good for me. We have all these down here, but this is not what we're looking for. We're looking for something that's going to last much longer. So another one, let's take a look at this one. Now, what's the difference here? Firm grip, Trademaster. This one does have the Velcro. It feels like it's for heavier use. All right, those fingers where they need to go. It does have the Velcro.
Nice.
They feel good, but these others felt snug.
All right, so these feel good, but they don't fit like a glove, right?
They don't feel like a glove, right?
They don't fit like a glove. You want it to fit like a glove.
That's right.
Like a second skin, but not be too tight so they don't rip, and then not be too loose so they don't.
So for a good price, right? Because these up here are heavier price.
They're in the 30s. Yeah, they're close to
Right.
30, 35.
Exactly.
And then these that you're
So
looking
this
at, but I
is-
wanted it to be ones that fit you right and they're good for you. I don't necessarily, you don't want to, it's like I say when I'm teaching safety in law enforcement, you don't want to buy a bargain basement parachute.
That's
You
right.
know, and so this
You
is a
want
safety
it.
thing for your hands.
These fit real well right here. They're not going to snag on anything. They fit good around the fingers with my long fingernails.
Yeah, and it's got your dexterity points here, protection for the tips of your fingers when you got to manipulate
You can
stuff.
use your phone with these.
Yeah, well, that reminds me of tactical stuff in SWAT is your trigger finger.
Right,
You know,
that's right.
but you manipulate a lot of things with that, and you know, even on the saws, you know, you're pulling the.
Yes,
You know.
you get a better feel for the machine that you're using, you know. And if your
And
favorite
your
colors,
grip points, you know, there's grip points and then the
points,
thumb
yeah.
there, yeah.
and
the
you got, you know, so your hand can breathe,
ventilation.
ventilation.
Yeah.
And if your favorite color is blue,
There you go.
they should make some pink.
That
ones
reminds
for
me
us.
of the movie Tron. You remember Tron where everything was
Yes.
blue electric? Yeah. Almost looked like a Power Ranger glove.
Sweetie,
That's what I might call you.
That says your age.
I'm from the 60s, Sonny.
Now, one more I want to try. These are medium.
Okay.
Right? And these right here.
The ones we like so far, or what size are they?
It says wide medium,
Okay.
right?
Wide, medium. Okay.
So it's it's not wide medium. It's woman's medium.
A woman's medium.
about that?
Okay. There we go. We're learning as we go here.
Uh-huh.
All right. I'm going to hold on to these because they're a contender.
So these fit really well too. These, I might have a hard time picking either these or the women's. These are medium. They're not so tight where it might be constricting to you. Now it is a medium. Let's try a small
Yeah, just to
and
see.
see how the small regular, it doesn't say women, but hey, I think that gloves can be for women or men. These feel really good. However, I might go with the women's. So the mediums are out.
Okay.
Okay.
So these are still the ones to beat.
Right.
Like you're just trying the same one, just in a size bigger.
That's what I was wondering if they had, because they have women, medium, medium.
Mm-hmm.
So now it's between these two,
Okay. And then there were two.
and then there were two. It's just personal preference, I think. These do seem to be smaller right here, you know, for your long fingers. If you have long fingers, I recommend you go to the men's smaller medium, right?
Mm-hmm.
If you have a wider hand, also go to the men's. I have, you know, a fairly small hand, I think. And these feel really good.
Oh, good.
I think that these would feel good for handling any machines or anything like that. It feels more like
Great.
a part of my hand,
Okay.
right? It feels like part of my hand.
We like that.
This is still good, but it feels like a glove. This feels like almost like it's been painted on. You know?
Nice.
So it's I think I'm gonna take these right here.
So that's the
That's
winner.
what I'm liking. Yeah,
Excellent.
makes sense because they were obviously made for women.
I'm not going to comment on that. I don't want to get in any trouble. All right.
Yeah, these are great.
So wrapping up, you checked on three things here. That the fit and the sizing was right. Because remember, too big slips, too small restricts and tears. The material, you like it. You know, what you've got there is good for general tasks. We do know if you're doing something heavier that leather would be better. Grip and dexterity. The textured palms is good for holding tools and thinner fingertips for control. And you got all three of those things, check, check, and check.
That's right.
Cool. All right,
I
so
check off on all three, so this is the one I'm going for.
and that's the one that the Latin goddess has chosen.
Firm grip,
Firm grip. Excellent. All right.
general purpose gloves.
Cool. All right. Coming to you from Home Depot.
Home Depot. That's where you can get.
Check us out for more tips. Like and subscribe.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.